Welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is all about reviewing eyeshadow palettes, so please stay tuned. Today it's all about B&H Cosmetics, their palette. It is 28 colors, modern mattes, and some, oh, you know what? This is all matte. I didn't realize that, but I went ahead and did my makeup with this, and I did my eyes. So I've used some beautiful shades of pink, rose, violet. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And I'll hold up the palette for you. It's gorgeous. So I didn't really want to take the video putting the makeup on, but I wanted to show you just how effortless it goes on. I love the look. It's simply gorgeous. This is just beautiful shades. And this is a very reasonable palette. I think the palette itself is like maybe $15, $20. And you get 28 shades. B&H Cosmetics. I found out about them really several years ago, and I've been just glued to their product. It's really, really good. The palette is excellent. Little or no fallout. The pigmentations are phenomenal. And I'm loving this. I say this with sure belief. This is great. And for like less than $20 or $20 for a palette of 28 shades, you can't beat that. It's good on all budgets, okay? I love this. The shades are great. I ended up using today, let me take the plastic sheet off. I'm just going to use my Morphe brush, of course, to help me. I went in with, this is the shade here. It's a beautiful pink. It's up here, just so perfect with the shades. Unbelievable. They don't have names, so I can't name them all. But this one here is more of a pink, a rich pink, and then I went in with these three colors right in this line here. I did a little bit of a mauve. I went in with the deeper mauve, and I topped it off with a little bit of a brown on the ends. But I kid you not, I love this look. I didn't know where I was going with this, but I am feeling this. It's gorgeous. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. And I did use CoverGirl. I used CoverGirl in the shade, what is this? This is so dirty. Oh, hello. Porcelain. Yes, Porcelain L150. I used this to cut my crease, and then I added this gorgeous pink on top of it. It's just, it's crazy beautiful. I use this pink here. It's crazy beautiful. I love it. It's so soft and feminine and elegant. I love the look. I love the look. So you guys, I give this palette, okay, you know I got to give them a 5-star. It is 5 stars all day long with B&H. This palette is called Modern Mattes. 28 matte shades. I didn't even realize they were all matte, but I love it even more now. So let me know your thoughts of B&H Cosmetics. If you guys have tried them. If you haven't, I highly recommend it. This is not sponsored. You know, I don't really do sponsor. Not yet. I hope to soon. But trust and believe, this is a great buy for your money. I love, love, love the palette. I highly recommend the shades that I use today. I will be using this more often. My whole mission is to use the palettes that are in my collection instead of letting them collect dust and I only go to Jeffree Star or somebody else. So try your palettes, use your stuff, make sure your makeup is being utilized so that you can try new colors. This is just a gorgeous color. I never would have thought. Oh my God. I'm not really into reds and the real, you know, I don't know, kind of out of the park things, but this hair, I could wear all day, every day. I love this. I love it. So please leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. If you guys have tried B&H, I do recommend them. This is a 5-star, as I said before. This was a very inexpensive palette in my view. I think it was less than $20. I believe I got it from Ulta Beauty, or I may have bought it from directly from their website. I'm not sure. But you guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family. Click the bell so that you guys are notified every time we upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm doing a lot of things on those social sites. check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog. And today I am wearing Jacqueline's Beauty lashes. This is in the style F as in Frank, V as in Victor 118. So I like them. I like them. They're on my new collection. So check them out. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.